Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel and my Elvis Presley Advent calendar series. Hope you all are enjoying this as much as I am. If you're new here, hey, welcome and thanks for stopping by. If you wouldn't mind, please click that subscribe button down below. I'd really appreciate it. And for all my current subscribers, thanks so much for watching the series. I really appreciate all of you so much. Thank you very, very, very much for all your support. So let's just get right into this, shall we, and see what we have in box number 23. It's right there. All right, it's a small box. Okay, we have some, okay, they look like little stickers, like decorative pinstriping stickers is what it looks like. Not sure what those are for, so we'll have to read the book. So let's close this up, flip that around, put it back in place, and there we've got almost our whole picture box of Elvis there, minus the one, and I'm pretty sure I know what's in that box, but we'll have to wait until tomorrow to see. Alright, so let's go to the book. Alright, in this section, it's talking about one of the last cars Elvis bought while he was alive. Yeah, this is the last Cadillac that Elvis bought for himself in October of 1976. It's a Seville, and it was kind of custom designed, custom made just for him. Had spoke wheels, a CB radio, which he used to communicate with other people in the convoy as they were traveling from place to place to do shows. It was also a special two-tone finish, so this was a special custom color that just wasn't available for everyone. He opted to get that painted that way for him. That's pretty cool. Alright, so let's see what the thing has to say for in the box. It says, with the content of box 23, you can further enhance your Cadillac. Use the stickers in this set to complete the iconic look of your model. Okay, well, I don't know if we're going to do that or not, but that's nice that they gave them to us. Alright, so before we end this episode, I will read the last of the little novelty cards here with information on Elvis. This one is Film Star Elvis. Between 1956 and 1972, Elvis starred in a total of 31 feature films, 3 concert documentaries, and 3 televised concert specials. The first flick starring Elvis was Love Me Tender, a black and white western. I remember watching that movie, and it's actually a really good movie. In 1960, Elvis starred in G.I. Blues, a musical movie that featured exterior shots of Frankfurt, Wiesbaden, and Rudesheim. I'm gonna botch those, sorry guys. Making a clear reference to his army days in Germany. The last, and for many, the most authentic Elvis movie was Elvis on Tour in 1972, which portrayed the singer during one of his tour trips. Alright, and there you go, another fun fact about Elvis that maybe you knew, maybe you didn't. It's all interesting stuff. Alright, so that's going to finish this one, guys. I hope everyone's having a great time and getting ready and excited for the holidays. I know we are. So I will see all of you tomorrow. And until then, be safe out there and go build something.